You're listening to the Options Insider Radio Network. For more quality options programs, visit www.theoptionsinsider.com or search for Options Insider Radio Network in your podcast provider of choice. Listeners can also access all of our programming through our mobile app, available in iTunes and on Google Play.
Welcome to the Hot Options Report, your premier source for insight into the fast-moving options market. Each day, we'll track down the products that are dominating the options chains and impacting your trading account. From Apple to VIX and everything in between, if it's lighting up the options tape, then you'll find it on the Hot Options Report. If you're listening to this show, chances are you're pretty serious about options trading. So let me put something on your radar. Public. It's the most cost-effective way to trade options. That's because Public is the only platform that gives you rebates on your options trades. They also have some of the industry's lowest index options fees. Whether you're placing single leg or complex multi-leg trades, every dollar counts. Check out public.com/optionsbrief and discover the most cost-effective way to trade options. Paid for by Public Investing. Full disclosures in podcast description. And now, get ready to scan the tape for the most explosive options activity on the street. It's time for the Hot Options Report.
All right, welcome to your Hot Options Report for Tuesday, August 5th. No live shows this week, but we're not going to keep you hanging on the Hot Options Report, giving you some special options spotlights for some of the top names you folks like to trade these days. Coming in on Tuesday, we're diving deep into Nvidia. Nvidia closing on Friday right around 173 3/4. That's pretty close to its 52-week and indeed its all-time high right around 179.27. That is set just a few days ago. The low, take a guess when that came, listeners. Yeah, it was in April of this year, April 4th to be precise, 94.31. But in terms of highs and lows for options volume, let's take a little bit of a deep dive there. The high for options volume came actually January of this year, January 27th, with 10.2 million contracts on the tape. That is just an astounding amount of paper for a single stock to put up in a day. That's SPY paper, that's index paper, listeners. The low for overall options volume came June of this year, 1.45 million contracts out there. So a sleepy midsummer print there. In terms of vol, the high for vol came not when you might expect it on April 8th, but actually August 5th of last year. Everyone forgets, kind of go toe-to-toe vol-wise between August 5th and April 8th. And in the case of Nvidia, August 5th still holds the crown, nearly 90%, 89.8%, the low coming on June 24th, 31.5%. Put call indicator, again, not my favorite thing, but some people like to track it. The low came at 0.35 on January 7th. The high on April 30th, 1.07. So interestingly enough, after the big meltdown on April 8th. And let's see what's open for size right now in Nvidia, shall we, listeners? Let's do a quick top five out here. This is number 5, 89,000 of the September 170 calls. Number 4, 91,000 of the September 165s. Number 3, 109,000 of the June 75 puts. Very interesting. Number 2, 132,000 of the 192 half calls expiring this Friday, August 8th. So the stock needs to get into gear. And the number 1 size open position in Nvidia options right now, 174,000 of the September 160 calls. That's going to do it for your quick options spotlight. We'll see you back here tomorrow for another fun options spotlight, and we'll see you back here next week for more live episodes of the Hot Options Report. Stay safe out there, everybody.
Check out public.com/optionsbrief and discover the most cost-effective way to trade options. Paid for by Public Investing. Full disclosures in podcast description.